Louise Bailey. I'm Business Development Manager here at Edale. I'd like to welcome you today to the Daily Bailey, which is a factory tour here at Edale to show you which machines we've got going through manufacture. So if you'd like to follow me, let's go. Okay, so last of the FL3s, we have a 5-colour here that's going out to an existing customer in the UK. So this particular customer, I think this is their 9th machine, which is very impressive. So we've got the 1 metre unwind, we've got the 5 flexo stations, and again we have the rail that runs along the back of the press, which has got the D-lam, re-lam, the turn bar, and they also have a re-register lamination module that's rail mounted. So as you go along, this machine's also got chill rolls. So as we go along the press, and this particular customer has a full rotary die and rotary shear slitting. So this machine is due to go out, I think, near the end of December. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining us. If you'd like to have more information, you can contact info@edale.com, or you can email myself, louise@edale.com. And if you'd like to join us tomorrow, there'll be more Daily Bailey around the factory. See you soon.